welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing amazing and having a great week when you're watching this. I just got back from Trader Joe's, so clearly I'm in my apartment. We had to re-up on some things, actually just up on some things because I didn't have anything here. So I actually also stopped at H Mart. So I love this kimchi. It's so good. It's actually leaking a little, so I'm gonna put it away. I got some really amazing stuff, so we're gonna just do a kind of impromptu grocery haul. So let's get into it. First, I got these quinoa and black bean infused tortilla chips. They just looked really good, and I didn't have like any chips here, like any chips and dip type of thing. I definitely wanted to have some of that in my house. I got some of these, which are my favorite, organic corn chip dippers. These are kind of like Fritos, but like healthier, obviously. So I love these as well. Super tasty with some salsa, which I also did get. I have Spindrift here, which I might actually open. The grapefruit flavor, and it's so good. Cheers. Divine. I got some of this miso broth because I wanted to make the soup that I saw Morgan Yates here on YouTube make. It looked super good. It was just super easy, and it was using this broth, so I'm actually gonna put that up there. Here is the salsa I was talking about. I love this salsa from Trader Joe's, the salsa authentica. Sorry, my face isn't there. It's not gonna focus on me. Focus, focus, focus. You guys know what it is. It's just salsa, nothing crazy. Put that up there too. I got some organic Kansas City style barbecue sauce. I didn't know what Kansas City style barbecue sauce is. I think it has mustard in it, is what makes it, or it doesn't have mustard in it. I feel like I heard that on the Food Network. One of those things is correct. So, it's my autofocus. Excuse me. So, I picked this up. Super easy. Like if I want to make like barbecue chicken, even for dip, anything, you know. I also got this 3 cheese pasta sauce. I love the Trader Joe's 3 cheese pasta sauce. It's my favorite sauce ever. It's just so good and like super thick and not watery at all, because I hate watery pasta sauce. It's like the bane of my existence. I love to have this just with some toast sometimes for a snack with a little prosciutto and some mozzarella. Oh my god, the best. And I also picked up this seasoning, citrusy garlic. I thought I can even like put it on some chicken, you know. I love having seasoning in my house. It's the best. And I also got just some tuna from Trader Joe's. I really like Trader Joe's tuna. Super good. Next bag. Actually, I got some avocado oil spray. Definitely needed this. Cooking, spraying down the pan. Got some soy sauce. I really like Trader Joe's soy sauce, actually. It's super good. This is too tall to fit anywhere, so that's fun. I got a half dozen eggs because there's no way that I could eat a whole dozen eggs by myself like in a week or two. So I got the cute little half dozen eggs. They're so cute. I got some balsamic vinegar, as Elmo says. This is just regular balsamic vinegar. I like to make it with, whatchamacallit, like olive oil and balsamic vinegar as a dip sometimes. Oh my god, this ice cream is definitely gonna melt. I got some cookie butter ice cream just to have for those occasions. What else did I get? Oh, I got this Mushroom and Company multi-purpose umami seasoning blend. And fun thing about me, I hate mushrooms, but I like the way they taste. I just don't like the texture, if that makes sense. I also picked up this Thai style red curry sauce. I love this just with like some chicken thighs in the crock pot or even in a pan. So good. I got some salmon fillets because I love to make the Emily Mariko salmon dish. So good. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer. I got some organic shredded carrots. These are for Roger because he likes to have these in his dinner at night. He loves carrots so much. So I also got this sweet chili sauce. This is one of my favorite sauces to dip like chicken nuggets in, honestly. And I also got this sweet basil foaming hand soap for my bathroom. Not for my bathroom, for my kitchen actually. Let me see. Hello? Oh no, I think it's broken. That smells amazing, truly. That smells so good. Oh my god. I also, like I said, went to H Mart and I got lots of seaweed. This actually came in a pack. I just have it like this because I'm insane. And I opened the pack, so. I definitely need to get some of those organizational bins for my cabinet because I'll show you guys once I'm done where I'm putting everything. And it's a mess. I also like to use that seaweed for the Emily Mariko salmon bowl thing because it makes it like so good. I got some of this coffee. It is so good. It's the Ethiopian coffee. Oh my god, it has like hints of like blueberry. Oh my god, it's divine. If you haven't tried this coffee, get it, girl. Oh, I definitely meant to get some tea. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that there was a time period where I was obsessed with this soft and juicy mango from Trader Joe's. Honestly, it's so good. It does have a lot of sugar, so don't eat a lot of it. But when I tell you this is like just 1 or 2 pieces, it's just like the perfect like sweetness. Like, girl, don't even get me started. Don't even get me started. I got some garlic naan, some sweet potato fries, even though I have some in the freezer already, some turkey burgers. So good. Those turkey burgers are amazing. For an easy dinner, I love this sweet potato gnocchi. It is so good if you add some like cherry tomatoes to it. Oh my god, so good. I also have this gorgonzola gnocchi, so tasty, and some frozen asparagus spears. These are great just to toss in the air fryer with some like of the avocado spray, salt, pepper, even maybe some of this umami seasoning, and you got the perfect side to like any dinner. It's amazing. And then lastly, to go with my 3 cheese pasta sauce, I just got some penne. That's everything that I got from Trader Joe's. Let me show you just some of the rest of the stuff I got from H Mart. I got some ramen. This is like just mild regular ramen. You can add shrimp to it, chicken, whatever, and it's super good. This is my favorite ramen. Oh my god, this is like carbonara, spicy carbonara ramen. It's the best. If you guys ever see it, I'm sure they have it on Amazon as well, but it is so good. I also got some Spam because I love Spam fried rice, like, ooh, or Spam and eggs. And I also just got some QP mayo because it's the best. I was like just looking on, am I supposed to refrigerate this? Refrigerate after opening. Okie dokie. Amazing. But yeah, guys, that is everything that I got from Trader Joe's and H Mart. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, if you guys like Trader Joe's haul, definitely let me know down below. Let me know what your favorites are from Trader Joe's. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you, loves, so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye, loves.